Now, we are going to look into the volume of a cone and how it is being generated. Now, consider a cone that has the same height and diameter with a cylinder. Now, in this case, now let's get the volume of what of this cylinder, and also get the volume of what a cone, and see the relationship between them. Now, how do you get the volume of a cone? Remember, a cone is what? A pyramid. And we now say that what? A pyramid has a volume of what? 1/3 times the cross-sectional area times the height. Now we said volume of pyramid is 1/3 AH, where A is the cross-sectional area, which is also called the base area, and the height is the what? The perpendicular height of that what? Pyramid. As you have seen in this is the what? Height. It's always in the center, though we drew it outside this from this point to this point. This is the height of the what? Pyramid. Is always perpendicular to the what? Diameter or the radius, as case may be. Now, having noted this, we see that what? A cylinder has no 1/3 in its what? Volume, because a cylinder is what? A prism, and a prism has what? A constant cross section. 1/3 pi r square h. From what we have here as cross-sectional area, which is what? This part, pi r square. That's a base circle, area of the base circle times the perpendicular height. Now, if you check it, it's same thing, or it has a relationship with what? The volume of a cylinder. The volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. Now, how then, or what then will you conclude concerning these two shapes? We will now say that what? The volume of a cone is equal to 1/3 or 1/3 of the volume of a cylinder. If the cone and the cylinder have same height and same diameter, both of them will have a relationship, in the sense that the volume of the cylinder divided by 3 gives us the volume of the cone. The cone is formed from that cylinder if both of them have the same dimensions. Now look at this question. Find the volume of a cone with these dimensions: height 6 cm, base radius 7 cm, and the second one says base diameter 1.4 cm and height 1.8 cm. The third one says height 21 cm, base diameter 10 cm. Now, look at number 3. You have to divide this one by 2. You are going to divide this one by 2 to give you the radius. In this case, you divide this one by 2 to give you 0.7 as what? Your radius. So the radius of this one has been given. Use this formula to calculate the value or the volume of what? The cone with all these dimensions. We'll be waiting for your answers. We thank you for being part of today's class. Sending your answers, we'll be willing to respond as soon as possible. Thank you.